Let's see this question. The average age of 12 persons in a committee is increased by 1 year when 2 men is 35 and 43 are replaced by 2 women. Find the average age of 2 women. So they are saying that initially there is some average with 2 people in that group whose age is 35 and 43. Later they both are removed and replaced by some other people. Then the average has changed. It increased by 1 year. Now they are asking what would be the average weight of the new people newly added. So like this. So let us say 12 members are given, A1, A2, A3, so on, A10, plus out of which 2 people's weight we already know, age we already know, so I am just writing it, 35 and 43. Now when this average is found out, this average we don't know, let's assume that it is X, right? Later when these 2 people are replaced by someone else, right, we don't know what their weights are, so which means A1 plus A2 plus so on plus A10 plus we don't know what their ages are. Let's assume that their ages are A11 and A12, which means these 2 people are removed and these 2 people are added to the group. And now when the new average is found out, it happened to increase by 1, X plus 1, right? Now we are supposed to find out what is the average of this. So in order to find out the average of this, you have to find out this sum. They are not asking about the individual values because it will be difficult to find out in this question. Only average is asked. So in order to find it out, you have to find out what this is in terms of X. Later if you can cancel out X, that will be helpful. Now if you observe this, 35 plus 43 is 78. Therefore A1 plus A2 plus A3 so on A10 can be written as 12x minus 78. So here I can write it as 12x minus 78 plus A11 plus A12 is equal to, I can take it this way, so 12x plus 12. Got it? Now 12x will get cancelled. So A11 plus A12 is equal to 90. So what is asked? Average is asked. So average means these 2 divided by 2, average of those 2 is going to be 45. Got it? Okay, and the next question is, the other way of solving it is, see, the entire average of 12 people has been incremented by 1 kg. So what does it mean? The total ages, the entire average is incremented by 1 kg means the total ages have been incremented by 12 years. Then only the entire average is going to increment by 1. See, you have let's say 12 people, right, and all are having some average, let's say X. Now if their average is incremented by 1, which means this entire amount has to be multiplied with, this increase has to be multiplied by 12, right? So we are now getting a new extra of 12 years. How is it possible? It is possible because the new additions or the new replacement is 12 kgs extra compared to the old people, right? So now compared to this 78, the new people are going to bring in 12 years extra. Then only the average is going to increase by 1, right? Therefore this must be the sum of the weights of those 2 new people added, right? So average is this. Now what is it? Again 90 by 2, which is 45. So either you do it this way or that way, both is same. Okay, fine.